Most people are sleeping on this. I made $9,472 in commissions just in 10 days using Google Maps and affiliate marketing. I didn't run ads. I just found local businesses that need help and connected them to Fiverr services using my affiliate link. It's simple, fast, and it actually works. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step so you can start earning commissions today even if you have never made a dollar online before. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $30,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll share with you guys my new method with Google Maps. Okay, so let's get started. And you should know that just last month, also, guys, I made $24,672 and it's paid. This is my invoice. You can see the numbers. I have everything. This is my invoice. This is the payment proof, as you can see. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using Google Map, step number one, you need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, it's super easy, it's for free. You can go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Why? Because they are really paying good commissions. It's very profitable. Okay. So for example, if a person buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn 17% of the first order, which makes this business more a profitable business. And the best affiliate marketing business is that you guys will keep earning 10% of the future orders. You will keep earning 10% revenue share for of each purchase the buyers makes in the next 12 months. Okay, meaning if a person buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn 17% of his first order. The best part, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase this buyer will make in the next 12 months. Okay, that's really a profitable. It's profitable. I'll share with you guys. We will talk more about this later and share with you how much exactly you will earn just from this one service that I will share with you. Okay, so anyway, you will go back to this page and to create your affiliate account, click here on join now. And here you go. The sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can choose no. And click on country and search for your country from here. You guys can start this business from any country, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Okay, just search for your country from here and choose your language from here. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. This will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, people who use their affiliate links to sign up to Fiverr, people who use their affiliate link to buy those services from you. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting to those local businesses on Google Map. Okay, so what we need to do next is we need to go to Google Map. Go and open your Google Map account like this. Okay, you guys have Google Map accounts, it's for free. Open Google Map, click on the search bar, search for clothing and fashion stores in United States. You will find a lot of fashion stores in United States. Why we choose United States? Because for me, United States is a profitable country. You can also focus on those four countries: United States, Canada, Australia, and Germany. Those countries will be a profitable countries for you. You just need to provide a good service for those local businesses inside those countries. Okay, so anyway, let's pick for example one of those fashion stores like this one, men's clothing store. I will click on this one. Just click on any fashion store that you want to use, and you will see this bar. You guys can see this one here. You can see you have more details, their hours of working, their address. They have a phone number. If you speak English, you can reach out to this clothing store from the phone number. If you speak English, that will be really good. If you don't, that's fine. You have this website. You have their website here. If we click on their website, we will be directly in there. They have an Instagram page, you guys can see, and this is their products, okay, that they are selling here on Instagram. Also they have a website, okay, you see here. If we click on their website for example like this, we will be directly in their website, okay. And here you go. So what you need to do next is you need to reach out to this clothing store, okay, from their website, and provide this service that I'll share with you, okay. So which service this clothing store will be interested to buy? They will be interested to buy Facebook ads service. You guys know the importance of Facebook ads. People who work online, they know how Facebook ads can help like those local businesses. Facebook ads can help them make more money and make more sales and grow their local businesses fast, okay. Social media marketing in general, it's very important. If you started an offline store and you are selling products, it's very important to use ads, social media marketing, if you want to get more sales and make more money and grow your local business fast, okay. So what we need to do to reach out to this local clothing store, we just need to click here on contact. Any website, guys, always search for this option, contact, okay. If you scroll down, here you go, we can reach out to this clothing store from this option here, okay. So what we need to do, we need to put our name. For example, I will put here Justin, for example Justin, and you need to put your email here and your message, okay. So what we need to do first, we need to go back to Fiverr to search for this service, Facebook ads. Click on the search bar of Fiverr and search for Facebook ads, okay. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer is you need to choose good seller who can provide good service for those clothing stores to help them generate more sales and make more money, okay. So how you can choose good sellers? You can choose like top rated seller or level 2 sellers or pro sellers. So let me find good seller, for example here, like this one. This one is pro seller. I will choose this one, has over 1000 reviews, almost 5-star. I will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. The numbers don't lie, guys. I'm sharing with you here what's working. It's already working. You can see that this seller has 108 orders in queue. Look how many people paid for this service. Over 4,000 reviews. Over 4,000 people paid for this service. Just those people who leave reviews, because a lot of people, they just buy the service, they don't leave a review, okay. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. This seller has experience and they know exactly how to run Facebook ads to get sales and generate and make more money for his customers, okay, which is really good. So what you will do for you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on your dashboard, and you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Pro, new plan. If you are choosing Pro seller services, copy your affiliate link from here. If you are choosing just level 2, level 1 top rated sellers, copy your affiliate link from here. And if you have new accounts, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said in the beginning of the video, that I have been doing this business for over 5 years. That's why I still have this option. Okay, for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So it's almost the same. You just need to copy your affiliate link from here and promote this affiliate link to this local business. Okay, and by the way guys, I do have an affiliate marketing course for people who want to take this business seriously and they want to go deeper and get more info, more details, how they can promote their affiliate links on social media for free with free traffic. You guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description and I will get back to you. I'll share with you inside my course. You will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting, my profitable platforms that I'm using to get a limited traffic for free, and so much more. Also, you will get support from me and my team. We will follow up with you until you understand everything and until your business succeed. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me and I'll get back to you. My email is in my video's description. And anyway, let's get back to the video to show you guys also how we can promote this affiliate link on Google Map. Okay, so this is our affiliate link. What we need to do next, we need to go back to this website. Okay, and we need to create a professional message, a professional email or a message. Okay, so what we will do guys is we will use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, create your account and ask ChatGPT. I asked him to create a professional email that I can send to fashion stores, local businesses to buy Facebook ad service from my website. And here you go. This is your message. Okay, I will copy this message like this, and I will go back to this website and I will put my message here. Okay, paste, and here you go. So I need to put also my over here I need to put my affiliate link here. Okay, so this store can check out my affiliate link. Okay, so what I will do next, I will go back to Fiverr affiliate account, to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link to make it looks professional and clean. Okay, like this. You guys can use this website, click on shorten and your affiliate link will be short link like this. Okay, copy, go back to this website and put your affiliate link here. Okay, and here you go. So you see this, that's good, that's its professional message. Okay, if you are interested, I'd love to offer free personal consulting to understand your goals and show up you can how we can help you. That's really good. You need to put your email here and click on submit. Okay, but first you need to put your email. Okay, that's how you can promote those services on Google Maps. Okay, and you guys have a lot. Look how many clothing stores you have. Also, you don't have just from United States. You can target your audience from United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany. Also, you can try this to promote this service inside your country. You can search for local businesses inside your country like clothing stores, any offline stores that are selling any product. You can offer them this Facebook ads service. Okay, and you can make so much money with this method. Okay, you can make your first commissions with this method. Okay, how much you will earn, for people who are asking but how much we will earn. This service guys is starting from $275. Okay, and this seller is pro seller. Okay, if you remember that for pro sellers guys, you will earn 17% of the first order. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and ask him what's 17% of $275. Okay, let me show you how much you will earn for just one customer. You just need one customer. You see this, you will earn $192 for just one customer guys. You need to convince just one local business to buy this service from you. You will earn $100 $192. Okay, That's why I said this. This is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, look how many commissions. Just if you get two customers, that's $400, almost $400 per day. Okay, focus on getting just your first customer, your first client from Google Map. Okay, you have a limited customers. A lot of clothing stores here will be interested to buy Facebook ads. It's very important. Okay, you cannot always also promote just Facebook ad service. You can also promote this one, Google My Business. You can promote this one, okay? You have a lot of services that you can promote to those local businesses. Google My Business. This service, guys, help those local businesses to rank higher on Google Map. So they will be interested to buy this service from you. This one, okay? You have a lot of services that you can promote. They will be interested to buy this one. For example, like those clothing stores who are not ranking good over here, they will be interested to rank number one on Google Map. Why not? Okay, if you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and see you in my next videos.